Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to reply to an Instagram comment with a GIF. In this video, make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So as you can see, currently we are right now on Instagram. So if I'm going to select any post, then I open the comment section. There are many comments right here. If I would like to reply to someone's comment, then I could simply click on reply. Then from here, going to delete this at that is going there. And this will unlock for us the button that says the GIF section right here. Once you click on the GIF section right here, it's going to show you many options. So you can select whichever one you would like. So for example, thank you. And now from here, you're going to click on it. And there you go. Directly, it replies to it. But if you'd like to just simply write your own, then simply all you have to do is to just click on the comment section as well. And then from here, going to click on the GIF. And then you can select whatever you want. It might show you this screen first. We're going to ask you to create your avatar on the left, but you don't need to do that. It's not necessary. Just simply reply to it and you should be good. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.